Hi everybody, I'm Becky and this is my son,
Brady.
I started this craft channel many years ago and my son is 8 and it's been 8 years since I posted a video. So we decided it's time for a rebrand. I run a day home now, we do crafts all day long and I do crafts with my kids. And so on this channel we are going to be reviewing kids crafts, trying out kids crafts, and creating kids crafts from scratch that you can do at home. So our new channel name is called
Crafts for Kids.
Crafts for Kids. So can you show them the first craft that we're doing?
Stuffy.
A stuffed fish. So you get these on Amazon and it's called Craftorama Sewing Kit for Kids, and I'll link it down below. But they have octopuses, clownfish. What were the other ones that
Octopus, turtles, sharks. I think that's it.
I will post a picture of all the ones that you can make. So we tested out and we did the clownfish, and so now we're going to go ahead and try the octopus. I'm going to help Brady where he needs it, but for the most part he's going to do it himself. And Brady, how old are you?
8.
8. So Brady's 8 and in grade 2. So that's about the level that this craft is. Somewhere between grade 1 to grade 3 would be the level for this craft. So let's get started. All right, we have our jellyfish all taken apart. It comes with directions. We have a needle, some thread, and some fluffy stuff. So it says the first step is to thread the needle. So Brady's doing that right now. And then after we thread the needle, we can sew the nose. Show everybody your jellyfish, and this is your Nemo. So overall this craft is a bit tricky. Definitely able to do it with some parent help. I don't think this is one that we could do all by ourselves. So what did you think of it, Brady?
It was fun.
It was fun. There's lots of different shapes and other ones we can try. But yeah, now we have a cute little stuffy clownfish and a jellyfish.
Yay!
So, you want to say thank you for watching?
Thank you for watching.
And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!